Hey there, Leslie here. Well, I'm going to read a quote to you in a second from Valerie Burton, but today we're going to talk about breaking out of that comfort zone that you're in, that you maybe hibernate in, and how do you do that? So here's what Valerie says, and she's a coach of mine. When you stretch outside your comfort zone, don't be surprised when you feel uncomfortable. The longer you stay in the new zone, the more comfortable you will become. And the thing we need to understand is studies show that the fear of the unknown is stronger than fear of something that is known that's bad. So fear of the unknown, of an unknown outcome, we look at as worse. It's worse than fear of a bad outcome that we already have experienced. And so, but in order to try something new, we have to overcome our fear of the unknown. And that means we have to move forward anyway. Like, what's the worst that can happen? They can say no. And they don't usually say no during the interview. You know, they might be silent and never answer your cover letter with your resume that you've submitted. But sometimes after an interview, you don't hear anything. And so we just have to keep pushing ourselves forward. We're all fearful, every single one of us that started this career. So number one is, what is the vision? The vision is you want to become a paralegal. Number two, what specific, measurable, time-sensitive goals? That's the secret. Time sensitive. Do you have to get better at Microsoft Word? Then go to my website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, and look under Advanced Skills. Free training there, third-party training for advanced Microsoft Word skills. Learn how to perform those, okay? And to get it on your resume. And then be proud of yourself for doing that. You're stretching, pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Number three, and this is the final one, whom will you tell about this journey? Who can you talk to about this that will support you? So important. I have an auntie that wouldn't understand what this journey was about or what the career was about, but she would be the one, no matter what, going, "Atta girl, there you go. You can do it, Leslie. I'm proud of you." The only one in my life that does that. So if you have one or two people like that, that's fantastic. If you don't have anybody, then come, into some of the social media areas that I'm in and ask questions and pose those questions in the comments. And I will always answer your comments, okay? So don't hesitate to go to my website, look under every tab, and check out what's there for you.